Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets like Solana can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from your Arculus wallet to Bitmart in 2025. This process is straightforward once you know the ropes, and it'll help you manage your crypto more efficiently. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device, some Solana in your wallet, and a verified Bitmart account ready to receive the funds. Also, double-check that you're using the latest app versions to avoid any compatibility issues in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Let's jump into the steps. Start by opening your Arculus Wallet app and unlocking it with your PIN or biometric authentication for security. Once inside, navigate to your Solana holdings. Look for the wallet dashboard and select the Solana asset. Now, hit the Send or Transfer button. This is where you enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Bitmart account, go to the deposit section, and select Solana. Copy the provided wallet address. It's crucial to get this right to avoid losing your funds. Paste that address into the Arculus send screen, then enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which can vary based on Solana's blockchain congestion. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and any memos if required. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to review and approve it. Go ahead and hit send. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Bitmart account to confirm the arrival. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. By following these steps, you'll have your Solana safely transferred. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.